Y'all see that? Period. Period, 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 period. Ooh. It's been a while, but I am back today with another hair video. Shout out to UNice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. So UNice Hair Company just rolled out with their new ultra thin HD lace wig, guys, and this is the Blendaway wig. So today's hair video is going to be very talk through, guys, very straight to the point and simple. Now this unit is new on their market, guys. It's very customized, it's very thin, and it's very ready to install type of unit, guys. So this unit is a 5x5 closure style unit. As you guys can see, guys, you get a good amount of parting space. You can go ahead and do a side part on this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in the middle part style. This unit, guys, is all in one. So this is a same day install. This is an everything unit, so everything comes pre-done to this unit. It is very comfortable as well, guys. So this is more of a breathable cap construction, as you guys can see. And this unit is also very secure. They did go ahead and put combs into this unit, a nice comb in the back. They also did go ahead and line up the actual wig cap itself with a little bit of like the silicone grip on it, just so that it lands and feels very comfortable around your nape area. It also comes with the hooks as well too, guys. So when I tell you guys this unit is 100% glueless, it is 100% glueless. So all I'm gonna do with this unit, guys, is simply install it. We're gonna go ahead and style it up. You guys know I love to do layers in my units. Like I have me like a little middle part with a little bit of layer, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with this unit today, guys. Even holding this wig in my hand right now, it is very thin and breathable, guys. Like, it's a nice kind of lightweight cap construction. So I can already tell just straight off the bat, like this one, it's not a heavy unit, it's light. The lace itself is nice and ultra thin. So I'm really excited about this one, guys. This Blendaway cap construction might be the newest and the best on the market. So I'm super excited about that one as well. So as usual, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the inner part of this cap with my medium dark brown Red by Kiss tinting spray. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pop this unit off and put this unit on. All right, y'all, so the wig is very nicely adjusted on my head. I can go ahead and agree it is super glueless. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I can flip this up right here. You guys can see this is the lace right here. The color match is perfect with that tinting spray. Definitely check out that Red by Kisses lace tinting spray. It's actually really good and matches perfect. So as you guys can see, it's super flat. Yeah, I didn't have to put the combs on. I did not mention to you guys, there is like that little C-shaped curvature, kind of like the sunglasses. You know how your sunglasses kind of land, or your eyeglasses land perfectly on the curvature? They made it perfect so that it lands there nicely, and it's like right, like look at that. It literally goes right over my ears and it fits perfect. I'm a medium to average cap size, so make sure you measure your cap size out and make sure you get the right fitted wig. This wig fits my head to the T, guys. I didn't even adjust the hooks. I just put the adjustable strap on, and that's that. So I didn't even change the hooks or anything. It's very pretty much flat on my head. Like very secure. The back, everything lays down flat. Like the cap is adjusted flat on my head, so that's perfect. So this is what the curls look like. Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and curl them out. I do like the base of the wig to be pre-curled because it'll give your new curls a lot of bounce. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb these out. We're gonna do some layers in this unit, guys. So like I said, I'm gonna keep it in middle part style. I love the middle part. It's very nice. They did a good job as far as tweezing it. It's pre-everything, guys, so you don't have to do anything to it, and I'm not going to, because if this was me going outside real quick right now to run some errand or go to some event or something, I'm not doing all that. I want the wig to come to me already done. I just want to add the finishing touches. So with these videos lately, if you guys have noticed, it's just me adding the finishing touches so that I can walk out the house and slay to the gods. So literally the hair takes about a couple minutes to do, guys. It's really straight to the point. So that's what we're looking for with wigs in general. Nobody got time. Time's a wasting, buddy. All right, y'all, so this 5x5 is pretty deep. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that 5x5 is showing pretty deep. I love it. That's a good amount of parting space too. It goes all the way back here. That's excellent. My middle parts are never positioned correctly and they're never that clean, but I don't really care about that. I feel like as long as the hair looks straight to the gods, and you know, you do your little big one in the middle part, you're fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot comb just to make this entire section fall where I need it to fall. So we want everything to stay basically middle part style. Like I said, it is a 5x5 closure, but you can go ahead and do a curve part on this one if you want to do a side part. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, this is kind of like my signature hairstyle. If you guys have realized, like the middle part with curls is like my signature go-to look. I feel like that's like I said before, this is the Dom, mature Dom look. Middle part curls, layers, you know? Va va voom. That's the kind of look I love. That's like my everyday look. Like, that's just my style. So I think I gotta readjust that. That's just not giving middle part, baby. So let me go ahead and adjust that one a little bit. I'm gonna have to do it off camera because it's just too hard to do it like this. So let me go ahead and adjust that off camera because I gotta get it right. But we're gonna do a middle part and then we're gonna go ahead and do some layers. So I kind of feel like my middle part is middle parting, but y'all will let me know. I'm trying to see it in this mirror right here in front of y'all, but like, child, I'm struggling. So I am using Spritz right now, and Spritz has been my go-to. I'm sorry, guys. Gotta get back to good old Spritz. Spritz will lay a wig down, number one. It'll hold a wig down, do 3 sprays on your skin. This will lay your wig down. And also, it just makes everything look just real nice and shiny. It has like a little bit of oil sheen into it as well. So it just kind of makes everything pretty and holds a curl. So I did go and spray the top down. Like I said, I feel like my middle part is giving, but my middle part just be doing whatever they want to do, and I just let it do what it wants to do. I'll probably touch the middle part up with a little bit of coloring spray just to define it, or I might not, because middle parts are middle parting, but they don't need to always be perfect. Yeah, I don't care. Anyway, so I got it kind of laid down pretty nicely. We got the middle part opened up. They did a great job as far as tweezing this, guys. Like, they tweezed this to the T. I did go ahead and flatten it out a little bit as well too, so you guys can kind of see that hairline. You just want to go ahead and just, you know, make this part kind of flat. Nice and flat. So you got a clean middle part. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and cut them layers in. The hair is very bouncy. Like, look at that bounce. Beautiful curls, beautiful curls, beautiful curls. So what I like to do is start from about right here. So I want to pull this much hair out from both sides, because I feel like this is kind of like the angle you need right here. This much hair right here. So I'm gonna do this much on this side, and then about the same thing on this side as well. So these should be kind of equal. I believe they're equal. So that's probably pretty much equal. So what I'm gonna do on both sides, just go ahead and layer this off. First, I like to run my hands through it just to kind of get all the hair together in place. And I'm gonna use fabric scissors for this. I'll be using these scissors all the time. They're my honey's fabric scissors for her rug making. So I usually like to go from where my nose is right here and go down like that. And I just go straight forward. I've been doing it for a while, so I know it's gonna come out popping. Like, I just know. We'll take about this much hair off. And you guys can see how it already folded up into like a little curl. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side as well too. And like I said, it's just to give me that middle part style that I adore. And we're just gonna, yeah, go down. And then the very end, we're just gonna shave that part down. So, again, this part right here probably seems a little bit longer. So, what I'm gonna do, let me see. And this one got a little bit more layer to it. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust this side again, just to make sure that we get it exactly like that side. Okay. And then for the very front 2 pieces right here, which I call, these are the part, this is the part right here will give you that real, you know, Farrah Fawcett curl. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and just kind of layer it straight through. This is a tutorial or not. And then that should give me kind of like the layer look I like in the front without really doing too much. Let's see. And I know y'all hear that I'm sick, but girl, I'm powering through. So it should kind of, there you go, should kind of give me that layer off look that I want in the front. So let's go ahead and put some curls in. All right, y'all, so for the curls, we're gonna go ahead and start on this side first. And the reason I'm gonna start on this side so we can kind of see what I gave with the cut. I realize that this part underneath probably needs to be cut as well too, but let's just see. I might actually have to cut that. So before I move along, right underneath here, I usually like to do a separate layer right here, just because this part is gonna be curled back and you want it to kind of be in layer sets. You guys kind of see what I mean? So I like to layer this part off as well and start kind of like high. and then bring it to like a nice look like that. This part definitely needs to be layered. Let me see if it's the same on this side as well too. So go ahead and take like this little portion right here. And yeah, so this one needs to be layered as well. So go ahead and give it a nice cut through. Yep, so that they both land about right there. So I almost forgot about that part. That part just makes a huge difference. You guys can already see the hair has so much bounce. So we're gonna go ahead and curl this front part. We just wanna go ahead and test it. I gotta show you guys how it curls. So I like to pull this part up this way and curl backwards. So we're gonna go ahead and grab it and grip it. I usually like to grip, oh, the hair is super soft, so it's gonna come through. That's why. Ooh, hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it and then grip it and hold it about like right here for a few minutes. My curling iron is super hot, so. And then we want to get like a curl like that because once I pull these out, you guys are gonna see gorgeous, like just baby soft, beautiful Farrah Fawcett curls. Just gorgeous, and I love this style all season long. I like to have a couple of wigs like this. Middle part wigs do beautiful with this, like, oh, a 5x5 closure wig, chef's kiss. All right, y'all, let's give it a round of applause. Very, very cute, very, very cute, very, very cute, guys. Simple, straight to the point, guys. You guys saw today's hair video. It was a talk through hair video. This is finally what the curl set looks like, guys. I feel like it's a nice kind of body wave texture look. I definitely feel like the layers definitely set everything off. You guys can see how it frames my face, how it looks really cute, nice. You guys know this is like my signature look. I love the middle part with curls, va va boom. This hairstyle goes for all seasons, so it just works out very nice. I do love this Blendaway cap, guys. Very, very nice. It fits comfortably on my head. When I tell you guys, it's super flat and it's actually very comfortable around the nape area. Beautiful job, guys. The unit is very glueless as well, guys. Obviously, you guys can see that you can go ahead and slide anything, just about anything underneath there. The unit is glueless, and these knots are very nice and thin, guys. You guys can see that this HD lace is giving everything. I didn't do anything as adding powder to or anything like that, guys. I didn't do baby hairs. You guys can see it's like a clean front through and just kind of like a nice, simple install. And I'm telling you guys, this type of look is definitely kind of on trend. Just kind of soft curls, middle part style, very feminine vibes. It's definitely a very nice, soft, feminine type of hairstyle, which is one reason why I'm really in love with it. Just love it, guys. Even if you get the unit and you don't know what to do with that, I feel like just doing some very light layers in the front and adding curls to it is definitely going to amplify this unit. If you're the type of girl that likes straight hair, just straighten it down the middle part style and keep it pushing. But for my girls out there that do like a little curl style, a little soft feminine flair, this is definitely a nice unit, guys. Very simple, and like I said, it's undetectable AF, guys, and it's glueless. So no glue whatsoever. As usual, guys, I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from UNice Hair Company, guys. Absolutely love this unit. This is definitely going to be my go-to unit transitioning into the spring, transitioning into the fall. You guys know how I do it. My favorite hairstyle, my signature hairstyle, made easy, beautiful, crispy 5x5, ultra thin HD lace, guys. Very, 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 very pretty unit, guys. So let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.